Welcome to Mailativity. We're going to walk you through how to add your own theme to one of our default templates and also how to send your HTML email for free through MailChimp. So for starters, to create a theme, you own your own custom themes from our default templates you see here at the top. You're going to first go to Manage Images where you're going to add the image you want to use for your theme. So we're going to go there. We don't have any images yet, so we're going to click on Add Image. And here we're going to add a new category and call it header. And then the URL, we're going to do our URL that's http www.burlygear.com/images/burly uppercase header 1.jpg. So we're adding our header image to the theme. And there it is. Now we're going to go add our footer image for the theme. Go ahead and add another image here. And it's going to go in a footer category. So we can use these, reference them later whenever we want. And it's at the same URL except for we called it Burly Footer 1. And type that in there and hit save. And now if we scroll down we can see both our header and footer in there. And now they can be added to a theme. So to continue adding a theme to one of our default templates, we'll now go to Manage Templates, and we'll choose the theme it's for. This one is for basic text image. That's the one we sized our images for, so hit Manage Themes, and we're going to add a theme. We're going to call this theme Burly Gear Clouds, and we'll select an image for the header, which is the one we just added, and we'll select an image for our footer, which we just added. Now hit save. Now our theme is fully added and we can go test it out. So let's go to Manage the Templates and click on the actual template itself to use it. And our first theme in there is actually the one we just added because it's B and it comes first alphabetically before any of the other ones listed in there. So now we'll go ahead and type a little bit in here. We'll just say my newsletter. And we'll just say this is my newsletter. Welcome to my site. We can select an image either by clicking on the image there or on the select image box on the right. And we'll select a category. We can choose header or footer. Right now we're going to skip this step because we don't have an image that's in there. And we can just click off the box and it will disappear. And then bottom text we can fill in. We'll say please visit our site by clicking below. And then in the box below, we can put the link to our site. We'll do http www.burlygear.com, our hunting gear website. And then we'll say, let's get our HTML. So this will give us our code. And this is how we can either save it on our own desktop, we can send it through our own email sending systems, which is very versatile. And what we're going to do today is show you how to send this through MailChimp, which is a free mail service for up to 10,000 emails a month for free. So we're going to select all the text and we're going to copy it. Control-C or Command-C, depending on if you're on an Apple computer. And now we're going to go to MailChimp. Now we've already logged in. We've already signed up for MailChimp. It's a free service to send, like I said, up to 10,000 emails a month. And the free version does put a MailChimp stamp down at the bottom of your HTML email, but it's not a big deal. It's hardly noticeable and really doesn't hurt you. So we are going to go and create a campaign. This is just on the main dashboard. We'll click Create Campaign and a regular old campaign. And then after that, we're going to choose which list of people. So I already have my email list set up here. So this is going to be all the people in your mail list. You can create these on your own on that same dashboard page we were just on. So we're going to select Trent Ross Studios list and hit up on the tip top, the next step, which is Setup. Now in here, we are going to type the name of our campaign, which we'll call Burly Gear Welcome. And email subject, welcome to our site. After that, we can choose from a bunch of different options we don't need to mess around with, but one that's kind of nice is it'll track if people opened our HTML email. It's a feature I really like about MailChimp. Now we're going to go up to the tip top and click on Design. This is where we're going to actually put in the code we just copied out of Mailativity. So scroll down, and we're going to go to Coding Options down here at the bottom and say Paste in Code. And here's where we're going to paste it in. Control V or Command V and paste that in there. And we can actually click Preview and Test down here at the bottom. It'll give us a pop-up window. Do pop-up preview, and you can kind of see what it's going to look like when we send it. And it looks good. We didn't fill in our image, but we knew that when we made it, and looks like it's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and close that window and go to plain text, which is the next step on the top. This is just confirming that it's pulling the right information you want out of the HTML email, because some HTML email clients will not render HTML emails and will just send a text version. So it just makes it readable for those that have that kind of a service. And then we're going to finish off by clicking Confirm. So go ahead and click Confirm here at the top, or you can click Next Step Confirm in the bottom right. And we're scrolling down. This is just saying everything looks okay, footer automatically included. That's just because we're on the free MailChimp version, and all we have to do now is click the Send Now button on the bottom left. It'll say, are you sure you want to send this campaign? And we are sure. We're going to send it to 4 of our subscribers on that list and hit Send. And you're done. That's sent to people on our HTML email mailing list, and that's it. Those are all the steps. So we hope you enjoy Mailativity. Please give us your feedback and let us know how we can improve the tool at any time.